Okay. He's calling the grill Walmart Willie. I don't know. Your daddy think. My husband has a channel too. It's called Hold My Beer channel. Right? Yeah, the Hold My Beer channel. My son also has a YouTube channel. It's called Fate and Play. So if you have any little kids or little boys in the age, I guess 7 to 10 that like to follow YouTubers, have them follow Fate and Plays. But anywho.
No, all of y'all follow me.
Well, yeah, he says all of you guys. Okay, so I have. You gotta try to get them all the same size. Okay, so I have 4 260 balloons here. I blew them up and I leave about that much, 2 or 3 fingers. I leave that much room in it. And all you do, you take 2 of these, you tie them neck to neck. Ooh, get back in time to neck to neck. Oh my God. So guys, I do a lot of my inflating at home. The more you can inflate at home or in your shop, if you are blessed to have one, the better. Because once you get on site, you can just pretty much drop and go. And that is the goal. I want to have it to where I'm just dropping, delivering, and then I'm moving on to the next site. So here is my second one. Again, you're tying it from neck to neck like that. Here is my second one, like that. So they should look like this. Now, you're gonna take the top one and you're gonna put it on the bottom one and kind of wind it in so that it looks like this. Can y'all see that? Okay. And this is where it's fun. You take the two that are on this side here, and then you put them together and you do like a, is it called a pinch twist? I don't know. I'm not a twister. I think it's not called a pinch twist. It's you just twisting it so that it looks like that. Then you take the one that's on top. Hold on. Sorry. Then you take the one that is on the top and you bring it down to the bottom. And you just twist it up underneath it. Hold on. Oh, don't pop. These little mirror chrome balloons, they easy to pop, so you just got to be a little bit ginger with them. All right, then you do the same thing and you just keep going until you get to the end. And another thing, I'm making mine kind of tight together, as you can see, because I want the chain to weave in and out of the balloons and look like it's a part of the balloon design. Instead of, if I was just putting them on top of the balloons, I would make them bigger chains, but I want it to look like it's woven into the, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'll show you how this one I get. Alright, so I got a chain done, and all I'm gonna do is just connect it to another chain. So then it's gonna look like one piece here. It's gonna be really pretty inside of the balloon. Hi guys, so a lot of people don't know that balloons, like your customers, they don't know that balloons take more than just blowing up balloons and tying them up on a pole. It takes a lot of like pre-planning when you become a balloon artist. That is why you charge a lot, because anybody can just tie some balloons up on the thing, but you have to strategically think like how is this going to look. And one of the things I like to do is called a mock-up. A lot of people know what mock-ups are. The program that I use is Canva. Some people use Photoshop, but Canva I find to be the easiest. So I will just show you here. The customer has his own banner. They have their own banner, and I am just placing balloons how I think. I want something that's going to be chunky, like wide, and I want it to be very like masculine looking. It's going to be organic, but I don't want it to be whimsical because this is a military man. And then I'm going to play around because I have gold, but I want to see what it's going to look like all black and white and gold. So I will play with this. I will use different sizes in my balloons to see how it's going to look. And yeah, I'll come back later. Okay, this is a rough draft of the final design that I like. I am going to add some white balloons to the decor and gold. And then I'm going to do some balloon ropes here. And then I'm going to try and make a little anchor for the bottom part. Let's see. Wish me luck. I have some mainstay floor lamps. You get these from Walmart. I try to load up on them whenever they're on sale. What I do and what you should probably do if you have like if your event is kind of far away from your home, like tomorrow our event is like 45 minutes away at the Mayport Naval Air Naval, I don't know what it is. Mayport Navy, I don't know what it is. Anyways, it's at the base. And I'm not about to go all the way back out there to get some little cheap little lamp stand. So what I did was just charge an extra $25, and I just factored that into the cost. So then when the client is done, they can pop the balloons, they can throw away the lamp post, and I can save myself on gas and time.
I'm going to open this and get my fingerprints all over it?
When it comes to the FBI, he was their obsession. He was the only one they thought did it.
The investigation was problematic from the start.
Why are we not digging and asking more questions?
There was really only one way out of this crisis, and that was for them to be seen as a victim of a madman.
So if anyone asks me if I still use Tylenol,
Hey guys, so it is the next day, the morning of June 26, 2025, and we're getting the van ready. Here, I'll show you. Just clearing out some stuff. I think the columns will fit in the back of this van. I am loving the way these columns turned out, and I'll show you guys. So we're going to the Mayport Naval Station for this event, and we need to kind of leave early because we are, I guess, on the precipice of a war with Iran. So everything is on lockdown, so we kind of got to get there early so we can meet our client and he can get us in onto the base. But here are my columns. This is my anchor here. Kind of like how that turned out, but I will show you guys what these are going to look like once we get to the venue. Okay guys, we made it to the base. I am just waiting for someone to escort us onto the base, and once I get inside to the venue space, I will hit you back.
So we're going through the security checkpoint. Obviously, you have to be very careful. We got to provide our IDs.
How you doing? I'm escorting them to the gym. We're gonna do a setup for a retirement ceremony.
Okay, can I see your ID, ma'am? Is there anyone else on board?
Yes.
Me?
Okay, just you?
Yep.
Okay, you got.
That's pretty fly, right? Yeah. Look like a real tank.